For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you've ever struggled to get even, juicy, perfectly roasted meat outdoors, this grill fixes that problem from the very first use. And I'll tell you exactly why. The 46-inch rotisserie grill with charcoal spit is built for anyone who wants stable heat, consistent rotation, and a setup that actually makes outdoor cooking easier. I've used this grill during weekend cookouts, and the first thing I noticed was how steady the motor stayed, even with heavier cuts. That alone makes the cooking process feel more controlled and a lot less stressful. At the center of the system is a 42W electric motor running at 4 RPM, giving you the even rotation needed for whole chickens, lambs, or anything up to 135 pounds. The 37-inch grill net lets you cook sides at the same time, and personally, that extra space has saved me more than once when cooking for a crowd. The stainless steel build keeps the surface durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean after long sessions. Heat control is simple with 7 adjustable height settings. When I cooked a turkey recently, adjusting the height between slow roasting and finishing made the final texture noticeably better. It's a small feature, but it gives you real control over the outcome. Mobility is straightforward with 4 lockable wheels and a stable 45-degree tripod frame. Once you lock the wheels, the grill stays steady, even during long, heavy roasts. The built-in windshield helps protect your flame on breezy days and keeps the temperature stable. You can switch between manual and automatic rotation, and the heat insulation plate plus motor fan keep the system running safely. Essential tools like tongs, a brush, and seasoning bottles are included, so you can start cooking right away. If you want an outdoor grill that's reliable, easy to manage, and strong enough for whole animal roasting, this setup is made for that kind of cooking. It's steady, predictable, and built for those who want real results without complicated steps.